This is a short introduction about how to enable and use the Alexa StockInvest skill. Install StockInvest mobile app, links provided below, and register with your Google or Facebook account. Open Alexa app and search for StockInvest skill. Enable the skill. It will ask for account linking. Log in with the same account you used in the StockInvest mobile app. That's it, you are all set.
Alexa, open StockInvest.
Welcome to StockInvest. What would you like to know?
How are markets doing today?
Markets are in green. BSE is at 35,302. It is up by 142 points. NSE is at 10,762. It is up by 23 points. Would you like to know anything else?
Check my stock portfolio.
Here are your portfolio details. Market value is 2,29,981 Indian rupees. It is down by 667 Indian rupees. Would you like to know anything else?
No.
Goodbye and have a nice day.